Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone lagging after iOS 26 update. If you are using any iPhone and your iPhone is lagging after iOS 26 update, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to do, you have to make a force restart your phone. So sometimes it might be that your phones need the restart, so it cannot work very well. So you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you must have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will almost fix your issue because in first restart it will clear your memory without deleting your data. So once you have done, you have to wait for your phone until it restarts. And after that, you have to do a second step, open settings, and here we have to go for general, then go for iPhone storage, and here you have to make sure that you have enough storage on your iPhone, or if you don't have any enough storage, so you have to offload any app from here. In my case, I'm going to offload the CapCut app, so simply select that app, and from here you can easily delete any unnecessary app which you're not using or usually. So you have to offload app, or you can easily delete that app from here, but I'm going to delete app. Simply tap on delete option, then delete app option again. And once you have done, the app will be completely deleted with your phone, and it will almost help you to fix your lagging problem, because sometimes your phone haven't any enough space in your memory. So in this way you can easily free up your space. There's this third way. You have to open settings, go for general, and if you have to look for background app refresh, and then select background app refresh from here, and from here you have to select off. And once you have selected off, it will not allow apps to run in background. And once you have done, or if it's still not working for you, so now what you have to do, you have to downgrade your iOS version to 18 again. So open your browser, and here you have to simply search for beta profile, and you will get the website here. And here you have to look for the option of iOS Vita, or you have to select the developer option from here and then select the install profile, then tap on install option, and here you'll get the option of allow. You have to simply select the allow option, and once you have allowed, your beta profile will be enabled and you will get the iOS 18 version in your software update section. And once you get it here, you have to update your software and install that on your phone. And once you have installed the iOS 18 again, your phone will not will lag. So in this way, you can easily fix your lagging issue on iPhone in iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.